upbeat music playing. Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make better purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing, and we've got two heavyweights in the ring, the AnkerMake M5C and the Creality Ender-3 V3. It's like watching a boxing match between a cheetah and a gazelle, both fast, but who's really got the moves? Let's find out. First up, let's talk about the price. The AnkerMake M5C is like that fancy latte you treat yourself to. It's $399. Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 is more like your regular cup of joe, coming in at $299. So if you're a penny-pinching printer, the Ender-3 V3 might just be your new best friend. But hey, sometimes you gotta splurge for that extra foam and caramel drizzle, right? Now, let's talk speed. Both of these bad boys can hit 500 millimeters per second, but the AnkerMake M5C has Power Boost 2.0 technology. Sounds like something out of a superhero movie, doesn't it? Meanwhile, the Ender-3 V3 boasts 8,000 millimeters per square second acceleration. It's like comparing a sports car to a rocket. Whoosh! Reviewers love the AnkerMake M5C for its fast printing speeds and efficiency, while the Ender-3 V3 is praised for its speed and accuracy, although it can have some quirks. Connectivity is next, and AnkerMake M5C lets you control your prints from anywhere with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Yep, you could be lounging on the beach while your printer does all the work. The Ender-3 Volts 3, on the other hand, has a touch UI screen and supports phone control, Wi-Fi, and USB drives. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of connectivity options. So whether you're a beach bum or a multitasker, both have you covered. Reviewers appreciate the AnkerMake M5C for its Wi-Fi capabilities and remote printing, while the Ender-3 V3 is praised for its versatility and connectivity options. Precision is where things get juicy. The AnkerMake M5C can reach up to 50 micrometers resolution with a 0.2 millimeters nozzle. Talk about next-level detail. It's like having an artist with a magnifying glass working on your prints. The Ender-3 V3 isn't lagging behind with its 0.1 millimeters accuracy and smart algorithms that minimize vibrations. It's like having a ninja sculptor in your workshop. Reviewers praise the AnkerMake M5C for its precision and quality, while the Ender-3 V3 is noted for producing clean and accurate prints, despite some occasional failures. When it comes to ease of use, the AnkerMake M5C has 49-point automatic bed leveling and a PEI flexible magnetic plate. It's like the printer is doing yoga to get everything just right. The Ender-3 V3 also has auto-leveling, a filament shift sensor, and power failure recovery. It's like having a printer that's always got your back, even when you forget to pay your electricity bill. Reviewers find the AnkerMake M5C to be user-friendly and reliable, while the Ender-3 V3 is praised for its easy setup and reliability, but has received mixed feedback regarding its long-term durability. Overall, reviewers find the AnkerMake M5C to be efficient, user-friendly, and great for both beginners and experienced users. It is praised for its remote printing capabilities and precision, despite some noise issues and a higher price point. On the other hand, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is celebrated for its affordability, speed, and versatility in connectivity, but has received mixed reviews regarding long-term reliability and occasional print failures. So there you have it, folks. The AnkerMake M5C and the Creality Ender-3 V3. Two fantastic 3D printers each with their own flair. Whether you're looking for high-speed precision or a budget-friendly workhorse, both of these printers have something to offer. The real question is, are you Team Latte or Team Regular Joe? Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below and let us know which 3D printer you're rooting for and why. Until next time, keep printing and stay smart. Product links are in the description.